Can you naturally stimulate stem cells for healthy aging? The science of regeneration, longevity, and cellular repair. Part 3. Beetroot and nitric oxide. Dear friends, there is a simple idea that has gained attention in recent years. Certain foods may support the body's repair systems. One of the most discussed is beetroot. Beetroot is not new. It has been used traditionally for circulation, for stamina, for vitality. But modern research began to notice something interesting. Beetroot is very rich in dietary nitrates, and these nitrates can be converted in the body into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a small molecule, but with powerful effects. It relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, enhances oxygen delivery, supports endothelial function, and importantly, nitric oxide may help mobilize circulating progenitor cells. Here is how this pathway works. When you eat beetroot, dietary nitrate is absorbed. Some of this nitrate is concentrated in saliva. Oral bacteria convert nitrate into nitrite. When swallowed, nitrite converts into nitric oxide. This nitric oxide activates endothelial signaling. It improves vascular health and may signal bone marrow to release circulating repair cells. These are sometimes called CD34 positive progenitor cells. They are involved in vascular repair, endothelial regeneration, tissue healing. So beetroot does not create new stem cells, but it may help mobilize existing repair cells into circulation. This is a subtle but meaningful distinction. Beetroot also contains betalain antioxidants. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, support cellular protection, and stem cells function better in a low inflammatory environment. Another compound in beetroot is betaine. Betaine supports methylation pathways, homocysteine reduction, cellular metabolism. These processes may support long-term cellular health, though the evidence for direct stem cell activation is still limited. So beetroot works through 3 possible pathways: nitric oxide mobilization, betalains reduced inflammation, betaine metabolic support. Together, these may support regenerative biology. But there is an important detail. The nitrate pathway depends on oral bacteria. If antibacterial mouthwash is used before nitrate foods, the conversion to nitric oxide is reduced, in some studies by more than half. So a simple practical idea: if using nitrate-rich foods like beetroot, avoid antibacterial mouthwash just before consumption. Allow natural oral bacteria to participate in nitric oxide formation. How much beetroot may be helpful? Moderate amounts. Half a beetroot or 1 small beetroot, or about 100 milliliters of juice. These amounts are typically used in research settings. It may be taken in the morning before exercise or with meals. Consistency matters more than large amounts. But beetroot is only one piece of the puzzle. Nitric oxide can also increase with exercise, sunlight, leafy greens, breath practices, vascular health. So beetroot is supportive, not magical. The larger message is this: the body responds to physiological signals. Certain foods may gently support repair pathways. Beetroot is one example of nutritional support. In the next section, we explore one of the most powerful natural stem cell activators: intermittent fasting and caloric restriction. Part 4. Intermittent fasting and stem cell activation. There is a natural state that humans experienced for thousands of years, not constantly eating, but periodically fasting. Before modern food availability, the body regularly entered periods without food. And during these periods, something important happened. The body shifted from growth mode to repair mode. When we eat frequently, the body prioritizes digestion, storage, growth, insulin signaling. But when we fast, the physiology changes. Insulin drops, glucagon rises, fat burning increases, autophagy activates, and repair mechanisms begin. Autophagy means cellular cleaning. Damaged proteins are removed. Old mitochondria are recycled. Cellular debris is cleared. This creates a healthier environment for stem cells. Research also shows fasting activates pathways like AMPK, sirtuins, FOXO-proteins. These are longevity-associated pathways. They promote stress resistance, mitochondrial function, DNA repair, stem cell maintenance. Animal studies show something fascinating. During fasting, intestinal stem cells increase activity. Hematopoietic stem cells become more regenerative. Even neural stem cell signaling may improve. The body senses energy scarcity and prioritizes repair. This makes biological sense. In times of scarcity, survival depends on resilience. So the body activates repair maintenance efficiency. Fasting becomes a regenerative signal. Intermittent fasting is simply structured time without food. Common patterns include 12-hour fasting, 14-hour fasting, 16-hour fasting. For example, dinner at 7 p.m., breakfast at 9 a.m. This gives 14 hours of metabolic rest. During this time, insulin remains low, fat metabolism increases, repair pathways activate. This gentle fasting may support stem cell function. Longer fasting, such as 24 hours, may produce stronger signals. But this is not required for most people. Consistency matters more. Even a daily 12 to 14-hour fasting window may support metabolic repair. Important point: fasting is not starvation. It is simply giving the body time without constant digestion. This allows physiological switching from growth to repair. But fasting should be gentle. Avoid extremes. Avoid stress. Avoid dehydration. Listen to the body. The goal is not deprivation, but metabolic rhythm. Fasting also reduces inflammation, oxidative stress, insulin resistance. These improvements create a better environment for stem cell activity. So fasting supports stem cells indirectly by improving metabolism, cellular cleanup, hormonal balance, inflammation. Repair becomes more efficient. This is why many longevity researchers consider fasting one of the most powerful natural regenerative signals. In the next section, we explore another powerful activator: exercise, especially interval training. Movement as a signal for regeneration. Part 5. Exercise and stem cell activation. Movement is one of the most powerful biological signals for regeneration. The human body evolved to move. Walking, lifting, climbing, running. These were not optional activities. They were part of survival. When we move, the body interprets this as a signal that tissues must be maintained, that muscles must be repaired, that blood vessels must adapt, and stem cells become more active. Exercise increases circulating progenitor cells. These include endothelial progenitor cells, muscle satellite cells, hematopoietic stem cells. They enter circulation and support repair. This happens because exercise creates controlled physiological stress. Not harmful stress, but adaptive stress. Muscle fibers experience microstrain. Oxygen demand increases. Blood flow increases. The body responds by activating repair pathways. Muscle stem cells, called satellite cells, become activated during exercise. These cells help repair muscle fibers, increase strength, maintain muscle mass. Without movement, these cells remain dormant. With movement, they activate. Exercise also increases nitric oxide production. This improves vascular function, circulation, stem cell mobilization. This is similar to the nitrate pathway we discussed earlier, but exercise produces a stronger physiological signal. Another important effect, exercise increases growth factors such as VEGF, BDNF, IGF-1. These support vascular repair, brain plasticity, tissue regeneration. These signals create a pro-repair environment. Even moderate movement helps. Walking, stretching, light resistance training. These all support regeneration. But certain types of exercise may produce stronger signals. Interval training, also called HIIT, alternates short bursts of effort with recovery periods. For example, fast walking for 30 seconds, slow walking for 60 seconds, repeated several times. This pattern increases mitochondrial function, oxygen utilization, repair, signaling. Resistance training also activates stem cells. Lifting weights or body weight exercises stimulate muscle repair. This helps maintain strength, balance, metabolic health. Muscle itself is a longevity organ. Exercise also reduces inflammation, insulin resistance, oxidative stress, all of which support stem cell function. So exercise works directly and indirectly. Even brief activity can help. 10 minutes of walking, light stretching, simple movements. Consistency matters more than intensity. The goal is not exhaustion. The goal is biological signaling. Movement tells the body, maintain, repair, adapt. Sedentary lifestyle sends the opposite message. No demand, no repair, no adaptation. Stem cells remain less active. So exercise becomes a daily regenerative signal, not only for fitness, but for repair biology. In the next section, we explore another essential factor: sleep, the body's nightly repair window. Thank you, founder, Holistic Wellness Foundation. Imphal, healing beyond boundaries.